Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how to mute Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to mute guys your phone Tecno. So guys, how to mute today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we mute Tecno phone today friends. I will show you. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, you can see this tab setting. Friends, we will click on my phone sound and vibration. Tap on my phone sound and vibration setting. So friends, you can see this tab settings. So how to mute Tecno phone. Friends, you will have to click on guys your shortcut private ringing setting as tap here. First of all guys, you will have to on guys your private ringing setting, tap here. Then guys you can see mute. So I will tap on mute. So friends, your Tecno phone will mute. So like that guys, we can mute guys our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you've understood how to mute Tecno phone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.